using this butyl aluminium reinforced tape. I have checked before using this that the temperature is not exceeding much. I mean, I can place my hand. Just now I came back after driving of 45 minutes and I was able to touch the muffler. So I think that the temperature is okay for this butyl tape. As written in this tape, it can handle up to 120 degrees, but I think it's not even 65 or 70 degrees Celsius of that muffler's temperature. I've also brought downstairs this aerolite kind of thing, but right now experimenting with this. So I just checked after switching on the engine, the sound has gone. The pressure is getting built up. It seems there is no leakage now. The temperature should not exceed 100 degrees for using this tape, so it can be used sensibly in the exhaust pipe at the back side of the car where temperature is not reaching there. The cost is just 200 on Blinkit.